If you're dealing with very hard surfaces that are designed to withstand punishment, you are probably best off using a metal blade. Examples where a metal blade could be used are glass surfaces such as a car windshield or a glass door on a house such as this, tiles either in a bathroom or on the floor, and hard metal surfaces such as stainless steel. We have provided you with several extra metal blades to help you get the job done. Now, if you do see marks from using a metal razor, consider swapping to a plastic razor blade instead. Examples of these types of surfaces might be timber, raw timber such as this window frame over here. Other examples might be painted timber such as a railing, or maybe hard papers and cardboards. Enamels like a bench top, say you need to scrub food off, or car auto body surfaces. You know, removing adhesive or stickers off of your car. Generally speaking, what you want to consider is if a metal blade is a harder compound than the surface you will be scraping at. If the metal blade is a harder compound, the chances are good that it will scratch that surface, so you will want to switch to a plastic blade. Please take the time to consider the instructions offered in this video, and I hope that you put them to great use in your next project.